plants and their uses. Time to warm up. Plants grow in almost every part of the world. We see plants in gardens, in forests, in fields, and in around our home. Without plants, there could be no life on the earth. Plants give us oxygen we all breathe. Time to know. Plants are living organisms. They are also living, which can produce food with the help of sunlight, air, and water. They have a hard and thick stem called trunk. Plants save our life. Plants give us fruits, nuts, and vegetables. We get food from different ways like stem, leaves, seeds, and roots of the plant. Plants store their food in fruits, roots, stems, leaves, seeds, and flowers. Roots. These plants store food in their roots like carrot, beetroot, turnip, and radish. And these grow under the soil, so we can eat these roots. The roots contain vitamins and other health-promoting nutrients. Root vegetables: carrot, parsnip, beetroot, rutabaga, turnip. Leaves: we eat the leaves of plants like mint, spinach, lettuce, etc. Mint, spinach, lettuce. Stem: some plants store their food in their stems like sugarcane, onion, potatoes, ginger, and these grow under the soil. All over the world, the onion is recognized as an edible bulb. So, it contains vitamins and other health-promoting nutrients. We eat the stems of these plants: potato, ginger, sugarcane. Seeds and grains: some plants store their food in their seeds like corn, rice, wheat, and pea. Around 3 billion people worldwide depend on rice for their diet. Crops such as rice and wheat have low concentrations of some nutrients when they are grown under an atmosphere with higher levels of greenhouse gas. Beans pod, pea pod. Plants give us two ways of food grains. Food grains: cereals, pulses, wheat, rice, maize, corn. Urad dal, moong dal, masoor dal. Cereals: a grain is used for food and breakfast. Food made from roasted grain, typically eaten with milk and seed plants like wheat, rice, and maize are called cereals. It contains high fiber products aiding weight maintenance and produce high in whole grain content, being beneficial to the heart. They are obtained from seed of the plants like urad dal, moong dal, masoor dal, and grams like Bengal gram, black gram, green gram, yellow gram are called pulses. Pulses are traded throughout the world, and India being a major player in the global market. Food grains are the seeds of the plants: wheat plant, maize plant, rice plant. Flowers: We can also eat flowers, but every flower we cannot eat. Some of the flowers we eat are cauliflower, broccoli. The earliest maturity possible for cauliflower is approximately 50 to 55 days from transplanting. For broccoli, it is between 60 and 65 days. Vegetables and fruits. Some of the plants store their food in vegetables. They are tomato, brinjal, pumpkin, cucumber, lady's finger, etc. Fruits are very important nutrition to our diet. By eating more fruits does matter to all of us. It's a great way to stay healthy and is a perfect fit for busy lives. Plants give us many kinds of fruits: fleshy fruits, juicy fruits, dry fruits. Uses of plants. Plants give us food in different ways. Plants give us fruits, nuts, and vegetables. We get food from different ways like stem, leaves, seeds, and roots of the plant, and we also get coffee, tea, and sugar from plants. Plants give us fiber. We get fiber from the cotton plants, and it is used to make cotton cloth. We can take fiber from the jute plant, and it is used to make sacks, bags, ropes, and mats. Cotton fibers are used to make cloth. Jute fibers are used to make mats and sacks. Plants give us wood and timber. Wood of shisham, sal, walnut, and teak trees are used for making furniture. Some people use wood as fuel. For example, teak tree, pine tree, neem tree, etc. Teak tree, shisham tree, walnut tree. Plants give us medicines. We get medicines from certain plants like tulasi, neem, amla, cinchona, foxglove, poppy, garlic, and eucalyptus trees. Tulasi leaves are used to cure cold and cough. We can obtain oil from eucalyptus plant. It is very good for health and used as medicine. Quinine from the bark of the South American cinchona tree is used to combat diseases like malaria. Tulasi plant, garlic plant, neem tree. Plants give us oil. We can take oil from the seeds and fruits of some plants. Oils are used for cooking and making soaps. This oil is used for our hair and is also used as medicines. Some of the plants used for making oil are mustard, groundnut, sunflower, coconut, etc. Coconut tree, sunflower, groundnut plant. Plants give us gum, rubber, and paper. We get gum, rubber, and paper from some kinds of plants. For example, bamboo plants, rubber tree, kikar plants. Rubber is obtained from rubber trees. Gum is obtained from kikar plants and acacia tree. The pulp of bamboo plants is used in making paper. Rubber tree, bamboo tree, babul tree. Plants give us spices. Many spices come from plants. There are more than 20,000 known spices, edible plants in the world, and some of the spices like bay leaves, cardamom, turmeric, ginger, cumin, clove, pepper, and coriander, etc., make the food very tasty. Turmeric, cardamom, cloves, ginger, pepper. Plants give us oxygen. Plants make our world very beautiful. They stop pollution and keep our air clean and fresh. We should grow plants on roadside premises so that the pollution can be controlled. Plants take carbon dioxide and release more oxygen. Plants give us manure. Dry leaves and other plant parts mixed with soil and give us manure. If plants grow in this soil, they can become healthy and strong. Plants give us drinks. Some of the plants give us drinks like coffee plants, tea plants, and cocoa tree. These leaves and seeds are used to prepare drinks. For example, tea is obtained from the leaves of tea plants. Coffee is obtained from the seeds of coffee plant. Cocoa is obtained from the fruit or pods of cocoa tree. Tea plant, coffee beans, cocoa. Plants give us perfumes. We make perfumes from sweet-smelling flowers like roses, jasmine, lavender, and champa, etc. We also use flowers to decorate our homes, and flower plants make our gardens more beautiful. The oil we use in cooking is made from plant extracts like coconut oil, sunflower oil, and rice bran oil. Roses, jasmine, lavender. Time to recall. Trees have a hard and thick stem called the trunk. Plants store their food in fruits, roots, stems, leaves, seeds, and flowers. There are two types of food grains like cereals and pulses. Plants provide food for animals as well as human beings. Tea is obtained from the leaves of tea plants. Coffee is obtained from the seeds of the coffee plant. Cocoa is obtained from the fruits or pods of cocoa tree. Rubber is obtained from rubber trees. Gum is obtained from kikar plants or acacia tree. The pulp of bamboo plants is used in making paper. Linen is obtained from the flax plant. Plants give us wood, timber, oil, medicine, spices, manure, fruits, nuts, and perfumes, etc. Plants make the air fresh and clean by releasing oxygen. Time to answer. For formative and summative assessment, answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. Where do plants store their food? Give examples for root vegetables. What are the two ways of food grains? List 5 uses of plants. Which part of the wheat plant do we eat? Which plant gives us medicine? What are rubber and paper made from? Oral questions for FA. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. Food grows under the soil. Flowers we can eat. Many spices come from. Dry leaves give us. Gum is obtained from. Plants. Clue kit. Plants, manure, kikar, carrot, cauliflower. Write yes or no to the following statements. Hot questions. Bamboo is a small, woody tree with many uses. All plants are safe to eat. The purpose of flowers is to give beauty. Plant roots have tiny hair on their tips. A flower is a part of the plant that makes the seeds. Make compound words plants. Information skills. Identify fruits and vegetables in the below picture. Communication. Keep leafy vegetables in one plate and keep it outside for 2 days. See what happens. Write your observation. Experimentation. Time to do project work for formative assessment. Make a list of vegetables and fruits that you like. Draw a plant life cycle and label them. Life skills. Plants are essential to the balance of nature and in people's lives. Green plants, that is, those possessing chlorophyll, manufacture their own food and give off oxygen in the process called photosynthesis, in which water and carbon dioxide are combined by the energy of light. Plants are the ultimate source of food and metabolic energy for nearly all animals, which cannot manufacture their own food. Besides food, example, grains, fruits, and vegetables, plant products are vital to humans include wood and wood products, fibers, drugs, oils. Top tips for the teachers. Ask children how they keep their surroundings clean with fresh air and tell them what kind of precaution should they